Hello and welcome to How to Grow Dianthus from Seed. Not wishing to state the obvious, but the first step is to buy some seeds. They're available from garden stores and online. On the reverse of the packet are growing times and growing conditions for your region. Step 2. Fill a propagator tray with compost. A propagator tray is a shallow plastic tray with a transparent lid which is ideal for germinating seeds. Press the compost down to remove any air pockets. Now water the compost. Step 3. Place the seeds on top of the compost. The seeds are very fine, so try and sprinkle them evenly across the surface. Next, cover the seeds with a thin layer of compost and press down to remove any air pockets. Fit a label and then fit the transparent plastic lid. Step 4. Keep the propagator tray warm and make sure the soil does not dry out. Here I'm keeping mine in a south-facing room. Step 5. Within 1 to 2 weeks the seeds will begin to germinate. At this point remove the transparent plastic lid from the propagator tray. Step 6. Continue to keep the seeds warm and watered. Step 7. When the seedlings have at least 2 sets of leaves, it's time to transplant them into pots. First fill a pot with compost. Then water the compost. Then use your thumb or a stick to make a hole in the centre of the compost. Water the seedlings before you start to transfer them. Hold the seedling by a leaf and try to remove as much root as you can. Place the seedling in the hole in the centre of the compost, then gently press down around its roots. Finally, water the seedlings. This helps get the compost around the roots. Step 8. Keep the plants warm and watered and they will begin to mature. Step 9. When the danger of any frost has passed, it's time to plant the plants outside. I'm going to plant mine in this border. Firstly, dig your soil. Remove any stones and weeds. Mark the planting position using sticks. Leave at least 6 inches between plants. Before planting out, give the plants a good watering. Dig a small hole using a trowel Then carefully remove the plant from its pot and place it in the hole. Backfill the soil and then press around the root. Finally, give the plant a good watering to establish it in position. Step 10. After approximately 4 weeks, the first flowers will begin to appear. Step 11. Keep watered and free from weeds, and you'll have a beautiful display of flowers all throughout the summer. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it and found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel where there are a lot more gardening videos. Thank you and goodbye.